Hey guys, Big Elevator 707 here. What I got here is a miniature air raid siren or mechanical siren by Semco, made in Taiwan. It's a motor siren. It runs up to 110 volts AC. You can see the inside right there. And I haven't tested out at full blast yet though because I'm in a high populated area. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it off for just a few seconds and that'll be it. So, with that said, 3, 2, 1. That wasn't too loud in my opinion, but hey, it's probably loud as my Simplex, my IBM 4030 series fire alarm horns. But that was cool. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.